Don't waste your ammo, please.
Not waste. Is that wasted?
Did you shoot? Oh wait, we don't have ammo. Wait, do you have ammo? What the fuck?
No, I don't know what that is. What the fuck?
Oh, that's just you hitting. That's just you punching. He's like punching the ground or something. Oh my god, calm down, man. I know your family died in an avalanche, but please leave the snow alone. I found ammo. I can't see a damn thing.
The doc needs us, Sam. Come on,
Get over here, buddy.
Oh no!
Come on, buddy. I got ammo. I got ammo. Look at this precious ammo. Oh wait, actually I don't. Where's the fucking collectible? Let's find that collectible. I can't see it, I think.
Oh my god!
Would you fucking stop? You're scaring me. Scaring me. I just walked past us.
Oh shit, zombies.
Stop. Oh my Jesus. Where do we go? This way? Okay.
Navigate your ass!
That
That's
guy's
fucking
not
like
okay.
slamming on it. You just gotta press the A button. Oh look, spooky people.
I have played this on impossible difficulty, and I gotta say it's not actually as bad as you would probably think it is. As you can see, I'm kind of tearing through everyone. He's got a frame. Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm reloading. Donkey, donkey, shoot! Where are you shooting? Okay, there you go. Check your fire.
Oh dear.
Did you see that? See that guy just get slurped up?
What's on that?
I need you up here. We're doing a thingy, and
Thingy, I love me some hef. Thingies.
all right, we gotta grab that thingy.
Grab thingy.
All right, watch out, we're about to thingy.
You got the thingy, you son of a bitch.
You're here too, asshole. Oh, bye, donkey. I see your feet. Is it? Turn it down, then. Jesus. All right, we're going down. We're going on in. Drop on down.
Oh no!
Oh shit! Oh my god, you're falling like in a weird way.
Uh-oh.
Roll to the left or somewhere. Get away from the plane. Shoot the plane engine. Days in a month. God damn it.
Whoa!
All right.
Sure.
Well, let me take that because that's totally. Oh, I gotta heal myself. I can't move unless I heal. Okay. Hey, I'm not, I don't have anything.
What the fuck is with your gun? Holy shit.
Oh wait, now I have a gun. I didn't have a gun a
You got,
moment
like,
ago.
Tons of fucking lasers. You have all your shit. That's not fair.
Yeah, I got my gun that I made.
Okay.
This is a DLC weapon. This is a DLC gun.
Ass.
I'm just gonna leave you alone over there.
Door opened up.
There's a monster in this room over here where I'm at.
Ooh, I like monsters. Where's a monster? Where's a monster?
Real monster.
Monster!
We gotta deal with the policeman.
Joey Wheeler.
Joey
Oh
Wheeler.
God. Real.
The Wheeler rape face.
What you talking about, Yugi?
Yugi, you on something? What do you want, Yugi? It seems like your melee is like. Oh yeah, look, Allahu Akbar.
Hey, look, it's me.
The yelling was a lot like you. Dude, that guy.
Hey, look, it's me.
Ah.
Oh my God.
Oh, God. Oh shit.
Ah!
Girl's getting raped over
I'm
there.
gonna join Clayton's party for now.
Oh, I can't kill her. Alright.
I'll invite you guys later and play something.
Alright. Calm down, Donkey.
Shit. The freeway.
Oh
Unmanned
Christ. Alright, so we gotta grab this.
What
You gotta Whoops.
That's a good idea.
You understand how many people I just now killed? The
Millions.
FBI are at my door.
What's the FBI?
I don't know.
I'm dying.
How about the FBA? Federal Bureau of Anime.
Love me, mouse animes. Yay.
This is it. Come on. We
Open sass. Could you stop screaming? Oh my. You got fucked up, man.
This isn't just a manhunt. It's systematic slaughter.
Hopefully I can get the DLC and I'll
Why Earth Gov?
play it whenever I get it with you. I was getting ammo.
I'm almost there.
There's a lot.
What's ammo?
Matter of fact, you want some of these health packs I picked up on the way? I have too many.
What's the health pack?
Hey, look, another cutscene. It's not a weapon. You aim and press B.
Oh shit.
There's nothing in this room we can use. Okay, watch. See this,
Holy shit.
oh shit! There's more!
I'm out of ammo.
Too bad. We have stick. Oh shit. I can't get the stick back, it's stuck in the wall. Stomp his ass! Stomp his ass! Get him! Get him!
Stomp on him. Son of a bitch.
I have a
pick it
shotgun, it's better.
Here, you want this? Need this fella?
What is it? No, I can't see it. We don't share loot. Like we all pick up separate.
The small med pad. Med pad. Can I shoot it at people?
Yeah, there's guys over there.
Wait, can I shoot ammo? I can't.
Oh, he doesn't have a. You could pick up the ammo just like that and just. Oh, whoops! I don't want that. I don't want that either. I don't want that. Thank you.
I got a stasis pack.
Yeah, I did too.
I'm gonna use this one. So you can't
There's,
see me hold this right here?
If it's ammo or anything, no, I can't. Oh wait, that? Yeah, I can. I can see that.
Ah!
You should probably stop that.
Carver, what the hell is going on down there? Danik flatlined the extraction team. Fuck. I'm coming in with the Eudora. Find a way out of the city.
How about the trains at Washington Station? We can ride one out.
And how are we supposed to do that?
Oh wait.
Figure it out. I'll see you on the tracks.
Open sesame. Connection interrupted. Fuck. I didn't do that. I'm gone. I'm coming late. Here's a
Look, there's
bench.
something over here. I'm good. I got a bunch. I don't need it. Stop giving me shit!
I gave you one. I gave you like one or two. Wait, what? Where? Yeah, I got another one. You want it? Oh shit.
Interrupted.
Hey, who wants game?
You know what? We probably could put this on hard. We probably could put this on hard difficulty. Oh shit! Ow! Behind you! Behind you! Is there any more? Is that it? Carrying an arm.
Yeah, I got this one. This one's better.
Launch! Oh shit. Is he still alive? Get him! Blow him up! Get him! Down his ass. There's one right there. Ah! Fucking shotgun over here. Oh, please. That's trigger finger. You want some foot?
Washington Station? Where the fuck are the trains? I don't know. Wait. Come on. Give me a hand. What? What for?
Bop.
This is a train yard. We can get one of these spare trains working. We don't have time for this shit.
Yeah, you gotta push it off there.
Incomplete. Please attach engine and fuel car before initiating departure sequence.
I remember when me and Drew first played this together. We like immediately figured out what to do with this part. We didn't even have to be told, pretty much. Whee! Okay, we gotta go this way. We gotta go towards the back. So it's gonna be coming this way. Don't stand next to it. It's not a good idea.
All right, Norton. The train's hooked up and ready to
Maybe
head
it
out the
doesn't
south
matter. I
gate.
don't. Oh, bye.
Miss it. It'll be the only thing moving.
Alright, understood. I'll close in once you clear the city. Be ready for pickup. This is gonna be
Oh
tricky.
shit. Alright, we're going. Fuck you. We're getting the fuck out of here, man.
About Ellie's disappearance.
We're not supposed to be here,
Where
man.
was she last seen? Is there a chance she's alive?
I'm gonna grab
We
a
were at
Mountain
the
Dew.
Keyhole station. She shocked out to some secret
I have a
ordnance she'd
monster.
found, then we lost contact.
They bought me a bunch of fucking small Mountain Dews, so and a bunch of small fucking Dr. Peppers, like a pack of
As hell, we haven't found
8.
Is it because you're gonna be alone?
Yeah, I drank like 2. It's probably all I'm gonna drink today. Some water. Hell no! Fuck that shit!
Because it's also called Renown.
Do that. I thought-
Yeah, it is actually. I just remembered. We should play Rampage with the Necromorphs. So now we're obviously about to have to get the fuck out of here. Let's go.
All I gotta ask, where the fuck's the foam finger?
They're gonna yell that a lot in this game, I swear. Oh yeah, watch out. We're gonna go sideways.
Oh, Jesus.
Gravity offline. Oh shit, I can't touch the ground. Ah!
You can move around, I can't.
I'm not moving. I fell and hit my throat. I'm about choked.
Book it, mate! Book it!
Oh shit.
Why'd you push me?
I didn't push you for shit. Strongest survives only.
Oh,
Jump!
bitch. I'm dead.
No, you're there.
I'm dead.
I gotta get my suit. Look at this motherfucker. Look at how they slide that shit on.
What the fuck?
Don't worry about it.
That's some kind of voodoo shit right there.
Where's my helmet?
Voodoo, bitch.
Ah, my helmet!
My helmet.
There goes my helmet. Come here! Pass! Yeah! Alright, we're going this way. Just watch Carver throw my fucking helmet away. Oh, you just ran into that.
Okay, I can see the room. Rosen, Locke, brace yourselves.
The right. Oh my. Whoa! Whoa! What is this sensitivity? Oh my god, look at me. Ah! Ah!
What the fuck?
Alright, we gotta go up to this thing. How do we... Did you already do it? Okay, I think you did. Alright, hold on to it. Hold on! Hold on, Donkey! Are you holding on? Alright, we're about to fly. We're about to start flying.
I believe I can fly.
Let's do this shit. Ooh.
I can't slow it down.
You gotta aim and shoot all the mines as you're going forward. Just don't hit anything or else we lose. Oh, you just slapped that thing. Holy cow! How did you do? Did we just slap each other? Oh! To the left! Shoot the mines!
Hey, watch it, watch it!
I can't steer it.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Screw it!
Get behind them. I got it!
And you're spinning.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw up.
There we go.
Jesus.
Amazing.
Let's not do that again. Can you make
Alright, we're going in.
Yeah. Yeah, you think there's air on board?
Ellie's SOS is coming from somewhere inside, so let's hope so.
Left bumper is of course the way to boost. Okay, so you see these yellow things right there? Right there that I'm aiming at? That's that gives you oxygen when you break it. Yeah, that gives you oxygen. There you go. Then you like press I think A or B to like grab it and use it. Well, I mean, you can do this. You can like grab it like, yeah, it's A. You grab it and then do that, yeah.
Oh, we just gotta keep it with us.
No. There's a item somewhere here. Yeah, here's the item. Here it is. Item right here.
Fuck are you?
You see my name, right?
Oh.
Right here. Over here.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't pop up your name.
Does it
Hard
not?
to fucking see. No, it doesn't.
You,
Pop up mine?
I see your name. You might have to change your settings. Here, get that item under me. Whenever, okay. There's a collectible there.
It looks like the power.
Like, it's whenever we're, like, far away or something that I can, like, see your name. Like, I can see your name right now.
Right. I'll see if I can get inside.
Ah, what
I've
the?
seen a lot of ships.
I can grab it. I can grab it. Wait, no, I can't. No, I can't. It's too far.
When they lost the secession war.
Oh, wait, there's another one right here.
Scuttled the
There's
Empire.
another one right here.
Surprised any survived. What were they doing this far from home?
Oh, wait, wait, wait. I just remembered me and Drew used to do this.
You can bet it had something to do with the markers.
Alright, buddy. Alright, open the door. Here we go. Watch this, watch this. Yep.
What the fuck?
First through here in a long time. I'll try to open the cargo.
No!
Hang on.
No, don't. Come back. You're gonna run out of air.
I'm going back for it.
Oh my
I'm going
God.
back for it.
I have two. I will find it. I will find it.
Execute order 67.
It's a dead end. Looks like someone shut.
Where is it? Well,
I'm
hi.
looking for you.
I got a box. Sure you want to quit? Yeah.
Just gonna get
Co-op
fucked
campaign.
instantly.